Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to open up some boxes of fabrics and goodies from Island Batik. I'm an ambassador again this year, and twice a year we receive items from them. So this is fabrics that I'll be using for my next for the rest of the year for the quilt projects and things that I'll be doing. So let's take a look and see what's in here. This box was heavy. I'll move this box out of the way. Okay. Lots of goodies. First off, these are my foundations. These are half-yard pieces. They coordinate with the spring and summer 2025 collections. So I've got a green, a dark green, a neutral color, a bright green, an orange, an olive green, and a brown. And these are half-yard pieces that will go with what I've got to work with. Ooh, look at this bundle. This is called Earth Essence. Designer is Kathy Engel. And this one will be in stores in September. I'm going to use this for the September blog app. Greens and browns, I just love these colors. They go so well in your house. So these are all half-yard pieces that I'll be able to use. And this is 2 yards of a light neutral and 2 yards of a dark neutral, or dark fabric. And these will coordinate with the 2025 half-yard cut bundle. So that is going to go with this. Then I have this. It's another set of foundations, half-yard pieces that coordinate with the 2025 collections again. These are blues and teals. Beautiful. Look at the colors in here. And Island Batik now does solids. So I showed a couple of them before, and this is like a violet color, and I'd call that a robin's nest blue or something. Very pretty. So these are half yards. These are fabrics that I picked out from Island Batik, and I'm going to make another Bianni bag this year for my daughter. A little bit smaller than last year, but the same style. I'm going to do the Get Out of Town Duffel 2.1, and this I'll be doing in October. I've already showed her the colors. She loves them. This is 2 yards of a light neutral, 2 yards of a dark new foundation fabric that coordinates with the spring 2025 pre-cut. You can see there's a green and neutral. I can never have too many neutrals. And this is the 2.5-inch strips, stone strata. Beautiful colors. I can see where this will come in handy with it. Continuing on, this is another package of 2.5-inch strips. There are 40 pieces and there's 20 fabric designs. And this is a glorious green gradations. These are always so neat to use and to have in your stash. Stash builders. I love these. And as you can see, I've got a few over there somewhere, but I received 1, 2, and 3. And these are 5-inch strips, the width of the fabric. And each little bundle has, I believe, 4 in there. You would think I would know. These are neat. Ooh, I received another gradation. This one is Precious Pink. Just look at the colors in that. Beautiful. We also receive 4 yards each of a gray, a white, and a black. And these are batiks. They are solids. So they are great to use. I believe last year, or maybe last season, last 6 months, I made a gray quilt with a gray background, and it really was pretty. So these are great to have. Then I received a big piece of a neutral that I can use for my quilts, and I'm pretty sure this is usually always 6 yards. There it is. This is 6 yards of corn silk, a very pretty color. That is all this, and then I have my surprise bundle. And this is something I can't show you yet. And I believe, let me see. I'm not sure when we use this. Might be November. Oh, it probably says on here. Sorry. Okay, this is going to be in the November blog hop. So you have to keep watching and I'll be showing these. And we also received 4 spools of Arafil thread. I love this thread. And this, I believe, is going to go with this bundle. As you can see the colors. Very pretty. Isn't the fabric beautiful? Everything. I am going to be busy working with all of this. And in fact, next month, I believe, we are going to, our challenge and our quilt project is going to be to take our Aliso mini iron, and it came with this carrier, and we decorate it. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on it, but there'll definitely be something with batiks. Then, this box. Then I have this box. Like I said, this is like Christmas. This is batting from Hobbs. They are very generous on what they send us. This one here is a fusible. It's 80% cotton, 20% polyester, queen size fusible batting. This is an 80-20 bleached cotton batting, which is a queen size again. This one is a premium polyester, down-like softness, and this is a queen size also, 90 by 108. Not done yet. And here is a Hobbs Tuscany collection. This is so neat to work with. This is a cotton wool blend, and you can wash it. It's just beautiful. This is a throw size, 60 by 60. This one is a Tuscany collection, 100% unbleached cotton, and it's in a 72 by 96. Really neat. I want to thank Island Batik and Hobbs and Arafil for everything that I received. And I'm going to keep busy with everything. And I will take some pictures real quick and give you a close-up look at what the fabrics are. Thank you so much, and I hope you join me this year, the rest of the year, when I'm making my quilt projects for Island Batik. Thank you.